I'm Marlene Sabasa and welcome to Pinay Food Trip. Today I'm just gonna show you guys how to make tteokbokki. Yes, you heard me right. Tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is a Korean traditional food which has sticks of rounded rice as the main ingredients. Tteok is the Korean word for rice cake and bokki is the Korean word for something is fried. So let's start cooking. So first, let's make the sauce. First, we will need the red pepper flakes. You can buy this to any Korean store near you. So we will need 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, soybean paste to add some flavor, maybe 2 tablespoons of ssanjang, 2 tablespoons of chili paste. So by the way guys, I forgot my water. Let's add some 1 tablespoon of water so we can mix it all the ingredients. And I'm gonna add some honey, maybe 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix it. So let's mix all together the ingredients. Look guys, this is really looks good now. As you can see. You know, tteokbokki has a sweet and spicy and very seasoning flavor. You're gonna like it. Let's grab that we need is this fish cake. So now we're just gonna cut square. It depends to you guys, whatever size you want. Let's put this on the side. Let's get ready for that. Here we go. Oh my god, this looks a lot. So of course we're gonna need the scallion for vegetable. Let's add some vegetables to make looks like healthy. So let's add some vegetable, maybe 1.5 each. I'm gonna need to make the broth. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of water. And I'm just gonna add to make flavor. If you are vegetarian, you can skip the fish sauce. You could use vegetable broth. So now we're gonna add the rice cake. then we're gonna add the red sauce, the chili sauce, the chili paste. So this is my second time to make this tteokbokki. I don't know if I said it right. Tteokbokki. That looks. Man. I'm gonna get all the sauce. And I'm just gonna add the half of ramen. Now let's add the veggies, the onion. You can add the cabbage if you want, but for today I'm just prepared the onion. Wow, this is a lot. Look at that. This is amazing. Wow, I'm so proud I can cook like this. So beautiful, so colorful, and the smell is pretty good. Look at that. Tteok-bokki-tteok. Now we can add the boiled egg, 3 boiled eggs. This is just optional. If you want to add some eggs, it's up to you. It's your choice. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. That flavor, the color, everything came out perfect. This is my favorite. Ouch! Ooh. Ah. So I have my spoon and chopstick here ready. So let's go try, guys, what it tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna try the fish cake first. Woo! Hot. Mainit. Then, let's try the cake. Rice cake. Oh my god. This is delicious. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in heaven. Wow. Try nyo to sa bahay nyo. Napakasarap talaga. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have a question, please write it down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye. Thank you. I want more. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.